1. A rectangular field has an area of 0.06 kilometers square. What is this area in square meters m square? 2. A water tank has a capacity of 2.5 m3. How many liters of water can it hold? 3. A metal block has a mass of 4.2 kilograms. If its density is 8 per m3, what is its volume in cubic centimeters? 4. A piece of wire is 125 centimeters long. A technician cuts it into 5 equal pieces. What is the length of each piece in millimeters? 5. An athlete runs a race of 5,000 meters. How many kilometers is this? 6. A bottle of juice contains 750 milliliters. If a box contains 12 bottles, what is the total volume of juice in liters? 7. A square tile has an area of 400 centimeters square. What is the area of the tile in square millimeters mm square? 8. The mass of a single paperclip is 0.5 grams. How many kilograms would a box of 10,000 paperclips weigh? 9. A cube has a side length of 20 centimeters. What is its volume in cubic meters m cube? 10. A recipe requires 450 milliliters of milk. If you want to make 4 times the recipe, how many liters of milk do you need?